Interested in sending money overseas while enjoying competitive foreign exchange rates? Opening an account with OnePip is quick and easy. All you have to do is fill in our application pack, which includes a corporate account opening form, board resolution, and don't forget to read through OnePip's general terms and conditions. Sign off on an engagement letter to complete the application pack. Next, refer to OnePip's corporate account opening list and provide the necessary documents. Once these documents are ready, you can proceed to mail them or email the scanned documents to OnePip. After receiving all documents, we will proceed to set up your OnePip Net account. You will then be notified by email and receive your welcome pack within 5 working days. Upon receiving the one-time password token in the welcome pack, you can proceed to sign into your account at OnePip Net. And you're done. You will also be assigned a dedicated account manager that will attend to all your requests. Start making every pip count.